Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make tacos with roti. First, let's prepare our roti. Gently warm each roti on a dry griddle over medium heat for about 30 seconds per side. You want them to be soft and pliable, not crispy, so they can fold easily without breaking. This quick warming step is crucial for a perfect taco base, ensuring a delightful texture for your meal. Now, let's create a delicious filling for your roti tacos. Start by cooking your chosen protein, like seasoned ground beef or chicken, until it's fully browned. Then, add some diced onions and bell peppers, sautéing them until they are tender crisp. Don't forget to season your filling generously with taco seasoning or your preferred blend of spices for maximum flavor. With your roti warmed and filling ready, it's time to assemble your delicious tacos. Take a warm roti and place a generous spoonful of your prepared filling right in the center. Carefully fold the roti in half, creating a soft taco shape that securely holds all the delicious ingredients. Arrange them neatly on a platter, ready for the next step. The final touch for your roti tacos is adding your favorite toppings. Offer a colorful array of fresh ingredients like shredded lettuce, diced tomatoes, and grated cheese. Don't forget a selection of sauces, perhaps some salsa, sour cream, or a zesty chutney, allowing everyone to customize their perfect taco. Serve them immediately and enjoy your unique creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.